Hello, Loyalty TV Studios, daily dose of news. And I am by the N7. Today, I'm very disappointed in Ghana police. And this shouldn't be happening. How can a policeman go to someone, you're under arrest? The person asks, under arrest for what? Policeman say, wait, let me ask somebody. Like, how can this even be possible? But then I will explain this for you so that you understand better. Loyalty TV Studio, subscribe, like, and share. Today we are still talking about the landmark case of the year. Deborah and his sugar daddy, Ernest Nimakum, side chick versus sugar daddy. Side chick suing sugar daddy for sexual harassment. You know that case? Yes. On Tuesday, the Accra High Court, yes, ordered the registrar of the court to take custody of the vehicle at the center of the dispute in the case until the case is finalized. So this statement was made by the judge who is presiding over the case, Justice Olivia Oben Owusu. She made that judgment that police for Munkoji court and Koji can miss you until we finish the case. Now, this is what happened. Deborah on that day went to the courts with the same car. The police couldn't take it. She took the car home, and so almost say we book court in Brown. So the police were going to arrest her at her apartment in Labadi. Now, this is what happened. When they went there, it was a back and forth between the police and the court bailiff and Deborah Seriam, in quote, side chick of Mr. Ernest Nimakum. So the police went there. They were taking the car and they said that, Deborah, you are under arrest. And the girl asked, under arrest for what? Under arrest for what? Policeman Meka or say, Okobisa court bailiff. Yo, Masa Oma. The girl said, we are arresting her for what? Are we serious in this country? The police, you just go. Deborah Seriam Adabla, you are under arrest for ignoring a court order not to drive the car. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say here might be used against you in the court of law. Simple. But in this case, and in the video we watched, the police said, you are under arrest. The girl said, for what? Then it turned case. It turned big case. And I don't understand that a policeman will go that you are going to arrest someone. You just go, you are under arrest. The person asks you, I am under arrest for what? Policeman will if he answer. Policeman, they go call court bailiff. Make it can't tell the girl why she is under arrest. Like this is very unfortunate. And I think that Ghana Police Service, you have to organize refresher courses for your officers because some of them are disgracing the profession. Because for a policeman to go to, you are going to arrest a small girl. Then the small girl is saying, I know my rights. You are arresting me. Why are you arresting me? Policeman would if he answer. Policeman, they go call court bailiff. Like, what are we even doing to ourselves in this country? But then the bottom line is, when the policeman went to arrest and take the car from Seriam, and just small confrontation. I never knew the girl went to a law school. The girl, yes. The girl was trying to explain his right to the police who seemed to be lost. And one other thing, the girl asked the policeman that, do you know that it takes 14 days before a court order can be used or can be effective? Another one, the policeman said, I don't know. So the policeman who went to take the car and arrest Seriam Deborah Dabla, I said they didn't know anything. So we watched the video of what went on because time and 7 Deborah was live streaming on TikTok, updating her followers what was going on. Yes, side chick queen of the year, the Amad Deborah, because the confidence to sue your sugar daddy for not fulfilling her promise is up here. So we go and watch the video of what happened when between Deborah and the police officer. But don't forget that when Deborah asked the police officers, why am I under arrest? They couldn't answer. Let's watch the video.
No problem. I want to know the basis of the arrest. He said I'm under arrest.
Yes.
And what is the arrest for?
It's the reason you arrest that. When a court and the police come to you for an order to execute court order.
Before you proceed, do you know that when a court gives order, it takes 14 days for it to be effective?
No.
Okay.
Sit down.
So if that's the case, I don't want to talk again. Let me communicate with my lawyer. So I want to know the basis of the arrest.
This is why, because you are obstructing court orders.
Okay.
You are preventing a court official not to execute court orders.
That is the arrest.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you are obstructing. Because if you are obstructing, police can have a right to arrest you.
Okay. So I'm obstructing what?
Yes. Court orders.
Okay. So I'm arrested. Where are we going?
We'll take you to possession.
Okay. Which police station?
We are going to regional.
Regional. I'm in Labadi. We have jurisdiction, you know.
Oh.
And so no, I just want to capture it on my life. And so we know what is going on. You are only talking. I'm talking to somebody. You are intervening. I'm in Labadi. If they arrest me in Labadi, they have a police station in Labadi.
Can I talk to you?
You are teaching us our way.
Yes. Yes. But if the court is giving order, we are going. The court said the original should arrest, right? No problem. I have instructions from the lawyer, so. Don't worry.
The law is not telling you the truth.
No problem. Whether I believe my lawyer more than anybody. So let's. No problem.
Okay, Chief.
Let's continue.
She understood why he's in the police car.
Are you understood?
So he said we are going to where? He said regional station. So let's go. Let's go with whoever that we are going with. Let's go to the police station. When they were pushing me, you didn't see what happened. Where are we going?
We are going to regional headquarters.
Okay.
Yeah.
For what purpose?
You are under arrest. We are
under
with the
arrest.
court bailiff.
Under arrest for what?
Where's the court bailiff?
So he should come and tell me. He said I'm under arrest. I want to know the arrest.
Yeah.
He should come and tell me.
What the bailiff?
Keta girl, thank you. You can record me. Yeah, you can even use a flashlight. You can use a flashlight. So you get the visuals okay. Abena Osi, I'm under arrest. So I'm trying to find out the basis of the arrest. He said the court bailiff should come and tell me. And so I'm waiting for them to tell me the basis of the arrest. See, I have rights. Yeah, I have rights. A lot. That's all you can do right now. And arrest. And that is what I want to understand. So I think the bailiff is coming to tell me the basis of my arrest.
Kofi, bailiff. About your bra. Hey, Kofi. My bailiff first we police no bailiff from court. I banish you. I have a farm and in a car. A police station. My name.
I said you said I'm under arrest, yes. And I'm asking you for what? You said the bailiff should come and tell me. And let me know the basis of the arrest. You are saying different thing.
You know what?
Tell me.
What the police?
No. I understand that. But what is the arrest for?
No.
Let me You can't take my phone, no. Bailiff, he can't take my phone. I am not a criminal. I am not a criminal.
So that was the video of Seriam challenging the police and the court bailiff over the decision to arrest her, including the car and a back and forth. In the video, no, on one case share on social media handles, no, a capture exchanges a year on a back and forth on the police for no, a have no, and I'm doing to and to say No problem. I want to know the basis of the arrest. What is this for? Just as the police officer in charge tries to explain why the order, she busts in with a legal view that when a court gives order, it takes days to take effect, which the officer said he was unaware of. You are preventing court orders. You are preventing a court official not to execute court orders. The police eventually explains. Deborah restored. That means I am under arrest. So what am I obstructing for? And na a little bit of some I transcribing into test with back and forth course or Deborah and side check. And until Messan ready court order in the the Accra High Court ordered the registrar of the court, Law Court Complex, to take custody of the vehicle at the center of dispute in the case in which Deborah sued Nacee for sexual harassment. In her suit, she claimed, among other things, that the vehicle with registration number GC789921 bought for her by Mr. Nimakon, the first defendant in the case. In court on Tuesday, May 16th, the court general jurisdiction presided over by Justice Olivia Obey Owusu, while ruling on application filed by Mr. Nimakon, said the vehicle in dispute should be surrendered to the registrar of the High Court for preservation until the final determination of the case. To this end, the court also ordered Mr. Nimakon, the defendant applicant, to submit all documents in relation to the said vehicle to the registrar. She claims Mr. Nimakon registered the vehicle he bought for her in his name, and that, contrary to the agreement, took back the 120,000 Ghana cedis Honda Civic. An NIB legal affairs correspondent said vehicle was driven to court by the plaintiff on the day of the hearing, but it is not known how and why she was allowed to drive it without it being impounded by the registrar per the court orders. Empty, I can say, yes, Deborah, no, Saturday, no, Tuesday, no, or the car in the court. And judge car say, Yenja car, no, a ban saying and a series of to me the car free the premises of the court. And the call. If you wait any updates about side check versus air sugar that the landmark case of the year, they better from ya, ever more swati. They are person who said, Serium, only police phone is challenging the police authority. Wabrana air on person enforce air court or the meaning ebia or two can call yenunti and on person arresting and answer that be. But the bottom line is Serium air Deborah not okoti. Yes, okoti. Yes, now Serium Deborah and the Blano Koti Liga, just I know my right. And here is the cry and I don't say and into Loyalty TV Studios. Subscribe, like, and share. Send a beer, update a case. Never more swati.